Welcome back to the channel, guys, and if you are new, I'm Moody Cars with you, and this is my baby 1928 Model A Ford, and today video gonna be about fixing this paint, and we're gonna do it together. This is the product we're gonna use. First of all, we're gonna use a rotary Makita machine, and it's a 6-speed, but we have to use it in like certain way. I'm gonna teach you how to do it. We're gonna use Sonax product. I think you saw it in the video, and this is the first step. It's gonna be it's a cut max, and we're gonna use a special pad with this one. It's from Lucky Country, and it's a wall bath. It's not like a foam one. With this one, the first one, we're gonna use this one, and with the second one, it's the perfect finish. The last step, we're gonna use a foam one, and it's like from the company, and it's a fine. Wait, I'll show you. It's a foam one, but it's a fine one. There is a different foam, and there is a different stuff for this special product you can use. And we're gonna use it with the machine. It's rotary machine, of course, and we're gonna use with this stuff also 2 microfiber. When we finish it from the first step, we're gonna wipe it with the microfiber, and when we finish with the second step, we're gonna use it with the microfiber. We're gonna do, of course, a small area here, and I'm gonna tape it, and this is how it's looked before, and we're gonna see how it's look after. There's a couple of extra items we're gonna use today. It's a sand wet paper. It's from 3M company, and it's a 2000 grade. And this one is soapy water, but it's not a lot of soap. Like, let's say 90% water and 10% soap. And of course, you have to be careful with the wet sanding, because if you did it in a bad way, you can wound your paint, and you have to use this way. That's how did they teach me to do it. You can't do it in a circle way, because you're gonna ruin the paint, and you have to do it with one hand. You can't switch hand. Ooh. You can't use this one like more than 1,200 RPM. Like, you have to use it between 1 and 2. That's it. And the first step, it have to be like so slow, and it's 1. Let's start it and do it together. And this is the second step. You have, like, of course, shake it a little bit. You don't have to use a lot. And you have to do it in the beginning, like in this way. Apply the product just in the whole surface. We're gonna take the tape off now and show you the difference between the area we did and the old area. This is the final result for today. Thank you for watching the video, and if you want to see more video like this one, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and hit the bell for the notifications. And if anyone have any question, drop a comment below. And thank you for watching this, and see you in the next video.